How you doing, guys? Gianni from Firehouse Innovations. I just wanted to give you guys a breakdown on the new prop that we've been working on. This is a crush door frame that attaches to any of our existing multi-force doors that are out there. So if you have one of these doors, you can pretty much just buy this frame from us and it will attach directly to your existing door. And what this is this is a crush door prop. And if you notice these bolts here on the outside, there's a drop bar on the other side. Come around the side, I'll show you. So with this door fully opened, you drop this 1.5 inch bar in here, and now in order to defeat this, you have to defeat this. So this door is locked, and you ain't getting it open until you figure out how to defeat these bolts. So from the other side, there's obviously a few different ways you can do this. If you got somebody with you, we could simply shear these off and two-man these off. You could use a K-saw and you can angle cut these and you can take the heads off of this off. If not, and you're by yourself, you can spike this and you can spike these and you can try to defeat this door around them. Other point of this prop is come in here with your adze and you'd be in here and you would be crushing, and we would simulate crushing and defeating this door slab. After you did all of that, defeat the bolts, get the drop bar to come off, crush the door where you would get your adze behind the door stop. Now you can come here and you can force this door conventionally, breaking the lock. Go to the website and request a quote.